Well, we're back at Slab Creek. About a week later. Had quite a bit of rain, so it's up quite high. Well, higher than normal anyway. So we're going to go up around here again and have another go, see if our hole's open. But this time round I've bought in a couple of new things. I don't know if you're going to see it, but I ended up buying a new set of waders. I've got some brand spanking new waders. So that's good. So no more wet bum. And then I've made a new toy. I've made this. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to call it. I think I'm going to call it the claw. What do you reckon, Jade? The claw? So this is for cleaning all the overburden off. So I made it up. It's all out of stainless. Mainly because that's what I do, but anyway. 5mm plate, 25mm bar, tube, and yeah, just bent up so it's got a bit of an angle. So yeah, we'll see how it works. Should be good, hopefully. So yeah, now see how we go. See you soon. Alright, this is where we were last time. This was our wee wing wall. That's where we had the sluice set up over there. You can see how much raging it's going now. That's that little wing wall I had there. And there's one way over there. And then this is our hole. So now, let's leave it. The water's right up to here. There's no water flowing through here. And so I'm not sure whether it'll go in there. But the hole's still there, so it hasn't filled in. But yeah, oh well, see what we can get. Might have to go a wee bit higher in the bank maybe, up higher. So we'll see how we go. Alright, back soon. Rightio, we've picked our spot. So our reckoning, we did a hole up there, just by that rock that's just sticking up on my finger there. It's just on the other side of there, which is right at the head. So we've now come round, don't know if you're going to see it, but we've come round and then we're right in the centre of the corner, so the corner goes around there. So we're going to go just sort of here, I think, which is right in the centre of the apex of the corner. So we'll see how we go here and come back. Alright, back soon. Right, we're all set up. Jay's just setting the sluice up over there. Getting it sorted, just sorting out the flow. Just shifted that big rock. There's quite a big rock, and shifted that big one over there. This one seems to be really, really big. I'm going to shift this one next. Hopefully it's not too underpinned by that one. Hopefully when I move that one, this will slide down and then I can get it all out. I know the hole's down to my top of my boots so far. So yeah, so we'll see how we go. I think we're just going to work around under these rocks right the way around and round sort of, you know, sort of round there and into there, and then once we get rid of all that, should be looking pretty good. Alright, back soon. Woo-wee! That took a bit of moving. That was a big rock, that one. That's a big boulder. Anyway, let's go down a bit further now. So now this one's next. Hopefully it'll just fall into the hole and we'll be away. Alright, back soon. Right, got rid of that big rock. We need to shift it. It's a huge rock. God, it's heavy. I think it's all quartz or cane quartz or something. But we shifted it out of here and stuck it over there. Now we're just going down, down, down. So I'm up to They're just above my knees. My knees are way down there. So we've got a reasonable sized hole. So we're just widening it and opening it up. So it's about, I don't know, might have been an hour after we last went. So it's starting to get down now. So got a few specks in the last pan. So hopefully we're on it. So we'll have a look shortly. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, so hopefully we'll be into it. Time will tell. Alright, back soon. Now, we gave up on that hole. Went up to just under my ball bag, deep, and we just weren't getting the colours, just nothing in it. So we pushed this rock down into there, we pushed this rock to the side, and there was another one that was sitting over there, we pushed that into that hole. So now our hole's filled up and we're just going to dig up around here and see if we can get something out of it. Otherwise, that's about us. We're bugger all again, I'd say, but anyway, time will tell. Alright, back soon. Well, we're calling it. Yeah, we're doing a clean up, see how we go. Don't think we've done very well out of this one. We might have picked the wrong hole, I think. That was my fault. But anyway, hole's a hole. So we'll see how we got, see how we did, but yeah, we're not sure. Don't think we've done very well, but I'll show you back in a minute. Alrighty, back soon. Little robins come to see us. Hello, little fella. Cool little bird. Little black robin. Scouting out his tea. We're all cleaned up and filled in the hole. It's about 3 o'clock, I guess. Cleaned up. There's all our thing out there. So, and this is what we got. So gold in the pan, about the same as last time. So maybe it's dried up on this corner. We're normally used to a lot more than that, but anyway. We'll see. There's lots of holes there, like the hole there's a hole on the other side, there's another one on the other side. We were over the other side last time, so yeah. Obviously it's been hammered now, so maybe that's all we get here, so we have to look for another hole, I think. So anyway, spy on the next one. See ya.